about to go out and I thought I could give you guys a outfit of the day. All my jewelry is actually from Enru, and then my earrings are from Anna Luisa. My grey crew neck is Urban Outfitters. It's Franz. I'm then wearing my ASOS flared leggings with my chestnut Uggs. And then my bag is actually, it is my Jeff Avenue one. I love this bag so much. Laptop, headphones. I've also got like my wallet, my lip balm in there. I've got everything in there. And right now we're gonna go get the train and head to town. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do today. I've got a couple things I have in mind. I wanna go and get my nail fixed because one of them is literally hanging on for dear life. Also gonna go to Space NK because I'm gonna go and buy Glossier perfume. I tried it yesterday. I'm obsessed with it. I really wanna buy it. So I'm gonna go buy it today. Go to a coffee shop to go do some editing because I'm really behind in my editing and I feel like I need to get on top of that before I can even think about editing this video. I have 3 other ones I need to, and I'm behind in my upload, so I really need to get my editing game together. So that is what I'm gonna do today. Let's go get the train. I will speak to you guys a little bit later. My hair is so frizzy right now and I just don't even know how. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight probably. It needs a nice wash. And then I'm just gonna blow dry it and do heatless curls again because that hairstyle lasted literally days for me. And I'll tell you guys like my hair routine because I've got it down now for heatless hairstyles. Put a little bit of lip balm on. So I'm back at home now, and as you guys saw, I went to town today. A little recap of today: I managed to go to my nail bar and I got my nail fixed, so my set is going to last me a little bit longer. I also went into the Glossier. I went to go buy this perfume that I've smelled and I've seen everywhere and it smells incredible and I just want to bathe in it, and I finally bought it. So I thought we could do a little unboxing because I love showing you guys cute things that I buy. That is why I've got so many like hauls in my videos, is because I just love showing the camera what I'm spending my money on. Also, my video is uploading because I've been prioritizing today. I've gotten so much done. I'm almost done with another video. Like, I'm really proud of myself about how much work I've gotten done today, because that is prioritization. I took myself out, I sat myself down and I was editing until like 6 o'clock and I went there at 2:30. Good few hours. It was a good grind. My coffee has given me so much like energy, but I have a little bit of a headache. Tonight I'm going to be doing some self-care for sure. Bought a perfume, the Glossier You perfume. I've seen and heard such amazing things about this perfume. Everyone says that it smells differently on everybody and like sometimes the scent changes over the duration of you wearing it. I wore it all day yesterday and I was absolutely fine and I really loved it and I could still smell it on me. But yeah, so I got the 50 ml. It is so beautiful. I love the bottle. Look how pretty the bottle is. It is so nice. I usually ask for perfume around Christmas time on my birthday, which is like the end of the year. But I guess this is like my first perfume I've actually bought. I thought 50 ml is a really good trial run to see before obviously I commit to like an 100 ml bottle. I'm obsessed. Tonight I think I'm gonna have a everything shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, style it, do my heatless curls, and then also in the morning tomorrow I can show you guys how I keep my heatless curls in. Just finished blow drying my hair. I'm trying to avoid putting heat on my hair. Curling ones wise, I know I did just blow dry my hair. Tonight I'm gonna do heatless curls. I thought I could walk you guys through me doing my heatless curls. I will just put my hair into 2 sections. I'm gonna put a little bit more before I do my curls, and then tomorrow I'll use dry texture spray to keep them in place. And then I have the claw clip here, which I'm just gonna hold in place. The first section I'm just gonna wrap my hair around it. The smaller the pieces, the better. Take one piece, take another piece, try and pull it as close as you can get to your head at the top. That is definitely super in place, and now I'm just gonna wrap a silk hair tie around my hair. I've been trying to stop using elastic bands in general just because it can break your hair more, so I've been like swapping over silk hair ties. The first hair tie is in, and then once we're done I'm gonna roll it inwards. But really quickly I'm just gonna do the other side of my hair. Now I'm going to turn this away from my head to tighten the curls. Like that. Cannot wait to see what it's going to look like in the morning. It is the next morning and now I'm going to take out my heatless curls and show you guys kind of how I keep my hair styled in place for literally 3 days. And this is all heatless. I'm going to show you guys how I style them, because yesterday I showed you guys how I put them in. But I'm just going to start by undoing the back scrunchie, then each side at a time. Before I do anything, I need to put some dry texture spray in my hair. So I've actually got the KMS Hairplay Dry Texture Spray. This is so good. This kept my hair in place. It's like the only product that does. Spraying it all over my hair, and then I'm going to go into the sections to add the volume under there and just spraying it. Another section, just take a little bit more hair, and then another section. Looks super volumized right now, but for the most part I'm really happy with my heatless curls. You can see they are definitely there underneath as well, like the layers of the curls are really there. Also, something I really wanted to mention is with the dry texture spray that I'm using, it does not make my hair crusty, it doesn't make it smell bad. It generally is such a good spray and it holds my hair in their curls.